So today I want to show you how to add a bank or debit card to your Venmo account. And what we want to do is go to the Me section on the bottom right hand side. So you can see it currently has our profile on here. So if we click, it's going to take us to a page that looks just like this. Now what we want to do is go ahead and add that bank or card on file. So we're going to hit the gear shift that is on the very top right hand corner of our app right over here. And then from this section right over here, we're gonna go ahead and slide down where you can see it says payment method. So we click on here, and from this section, we're gonna be able to go ahead and add a bank or card. Now there's a few stipulations to this, so let's make sure we go over it. First, you can go ahead and add a bank for no fee for sending or online purchases. You can go ahead and add a card. You can see here, it does say that we charge a 3% fee for sending money with a credit card, but we don't charge for purchases with a debit card. So this is something to keep in mind. If you're going to add a credit card in there, there is going to be some extra fees. Now they do also have this extra section here that's not going to apply to everybody, but if you have an Amex spend account, you can actually connect that over here as well, and it'll work similar to a bank or a card. Now if you go ahead and add a bank section, if you click on here for the instant bank verification, they're going to be able to use Plaid to instantly connect your bank accounts. Now if you do not want to use Plaid, you can go ahead and verify your bank manually instead, but that will take a couple of days to go through. Now, if we go back here, we can go to our card section. Now, from here, you can see it's going to ask you for the card number, expiration, security code, and the zip code, and then you can go ahead and add the card. You can also take a photo of your card to save time from typing in all those numbers. And then the last option right over here, it's going to be the Amex spend account. If you click here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and open up the American Express app so you can agree and connect on that if you do have an American Express spend account. Now you can definitely add multiple cards as well as multiple banks to make it easier for you and have different accounts to be able to pull from or send money to. Now, I want you to learn how to add money to your Venmo account now that you have a card on file. So check out my video right over here on screen to keep on learning.